Okay, let's check our buzzers before we begin.
Yellow, 1.
We're all there. Okay.
Those flower babies. Mm-hmm.
If our coaches and our quizzes are ready.
Yellow, 2.
Then this quiz is open. Question number 1 is a quotation completion question for 10 points. Question for
Yellow, 2.
Interruption.
That is incorrect. This interrupted question will be reread to Magnolia without interruption. It's a quotation completion question for 10 points. Question for there are no bands.
Red, 2.
Are there no bands in their death, but their strength is firm?
That's correct. Question number 2 is for 10 points. Question 2 is worth 10 points. Question. Psalm chapter 46, verse 6 records the kingdoms were what?
Yellow, 1.
Kingdoms removed?
That's correct. Question number 3 is worth 10 points. Question. Psalm chapter 51, verse 1 says, have what upon?
Red, 2.
Interruption.
What?
Tie.
That is incorrect. This interrupted question will be reread for Beaumont without interruption. It's worth 10 points. Question. Psalm chapter 51, verse 1 says, have what upon me?
Yellow, 2.
Have mercy?
That's correct. Question number 4 is worth 10 points. Question. What, as stated in Psalm chapter 19, verse 1, declare the glory of God?
Red, 2.
Tie.
And that is incorrect. Question number 5 is worth 10 points. Question. Psalm chapter 8, verse 3 mentions the work of what?
Red, 2.
Of thy fingers?
That's correct. Question number 6 is worth 10 points. Question. According to Psalm chapter 32, verse 10, what shall compass him about?
Red, 2.
Mercy?
That's correct. Question number 7 is worth 20 points. Question. What, as stated in Psalm chapter 46, verse 4, shall make glad?
Red, 1.
Interruption.
Shall make glad the city of God. There is a river, the springs whereof shall make glad the city of God.
That's correct. Question number 8 is a two-part question worth 20 points. Question. According to Psalm chapter 1, verse 4, who are not?
Red, 1.
Interruption.
Who are not employed, saying God they are not but I like the calf.
That is incorrect. This interrupted question will be reread to Beaumont without interruption. It's a two-part question worth 20 points. Question. According to Psalm chapter 1, verse 4, who are not so, but are like what?
Yellow, 1.
The ungodly are not so, but are like the chaff which wind drives away.
That's correct. Question number 9 is a quotation question worth 20 points. Question. Quote verse 2 of Psalm chapter 30.
Red, 1.
Interruption.
34. My soul shall make her boast in the Lord. The humble shall hear thereof and be glad.
That's correct. Question number 10 is worth 20 points. Question. Psalm chapter 23, verse 6 states, sure.
Red, 1.
Interruption.
Surely, how many things, and what are they? Surely, goodness and mercy, and there are two.
That is incorrect. This interrupted question will be reread to Beaumont without interruption. It's worth 20 points. Question. Psalm chapter 23, verse 6 states, surely goodness and mercy shall do what?
Red, 2.
Okay, we have a foul charge to red 2. So with a foul charge to red 2, we'll reread the question once again for Beaumont only. So question number 10, reread for Beaumont only without interruption. It's worth 20 points. Question. Psalm chapter 23, verse 6 states, surely goodness and mercy shall do what?
Yellow, 1.
Follow me all the days of my life.
That's correct. Time out. Magnolia, 60 seconds.
Score, please.